2 to the power 2 equals 4. 4 plus 96 equals 100. 100 divided by 4 equals 25. And 25 multiplied by 6 equals 150. But this answer is not right. Because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have three operators present: addition, division and multiplication, but we also have exponent present here, and according to the rules, exponent has higher priority over addition, division or multiplication. So we need to solve this exponent here. 2 to the power 2 equals 4. Our expression simplifies to 4 plus 96 divided by 4 times 6. Now we have three operators left here: addition, division and multiplication. According to the rules, multiplication and division have highest priority over addition, but we have to work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first because that is on the left side. So 96 divided by 4 equals 24. Our expression simplifies to 4 plus 24 times 6. Now we have two operators present: addition and multiplication has higher priority over addition. So we need to solve this multiplication first. 24 times 6 equals 144. And finally 4 plus 144 equals 148, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.